What up, what up, what up, guys? Crazy Day Pixel Fold is here. As you can see on the table, we got some accessories here. We do have the Pixel Watch, the cellular version. And of course, we do got Pataka's brand new case for the Pixel Fold. So you will see a video on the case tomorrow. But right now, just a quick unboxing. Man, I'm tired. I've been running around all day. This just got delivered. And now we're rolling. Time to show Pixel Watch. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a video on this again. I dropped one when this did release. But, you know, the deals you get when you buy something like this. We're going to jump right in and check out the Pixel Fold. I do have the black colorway here. As you can see, just a first impression. I'll do a 24 hours video or 48 hours or 1 week later video on this guy. But it's time to, I've been waiting for this device, guys. This is the fold I've been wanting. Well, at least I think it's the fold I've been wanting. That form factor that is absolutely perfect. And this is the device. You can see the camera bump on the back. Oh, that's nice. That is a nice feeling right there. Look at that. Beautiful looking phone. It better be for the price, but look at that form factor. The first open, first fold. Now to give you guys an idea of the size of this, this is the OnePlus 11. So you can see how much taller this is compared to that. But look at that. This is what we wanted on a phone, the width, right? I want to be able to use this when it's folded. And that's exactly why I'm so excited about this device here. See if we have any power on here. Hopefully it's not too blown out. Let's see what else we have in the box. Probably not much. Paperwork. USB-C to USB-C. And of course the USB-A to USB-C dongle. All right, let's look at the Pixel, guys. So we have that front display. If we open it up, we are going to get that same display on the inside. It does keep switching to landscape on there, but I wish I was able to customize the inside a little different than the outside, but it is what it is. We're gonna get started. We are not gonna connect to a mobile network yet. Let me put in my info. Now the actual Pixel. I gotta say, I'm very happy with the color of this device. That matte finish on there looks clean. Fingerprints will not be a problem. It will be a little different up here on the shiny part, but I do really love the look. I didn't know what color to pick when I bought it, but I'm very happy that I did get this. Now look, you can see the flush, how flush that is when it's folded, unlike the Z Fold 4 and every Z Fold before that. Now on the side here, we got the power button, the fingerprint sensor, and the hinge on here. You can see when you open this up that the way they were able to get this just to fold flat is the hinge now has been moved up. There are some parts up here that you can see, which is exactly why we have that bigger bezel. But a bigger bezel on here is not a problem for me because I'm going to hold it anyway. And we also get a better camera on here instead of getting an under the display camera, which right now is just still not the best when it comes to quality on a cell phone. So I am excited about this. I am doing a software update right now. The crease on here, of course, it is visible if you do look at it from an angle, as you guys can see here. But feeling, let's see. I mean, it feels like a crease on a folding phone. I don't really care. I'm so used to seeing that on something like the Z Fold phones that it's not an issue for me at all. This display looks fantastic. The form factor on here, man, the one-handed use on this device, I'm super excited that I can use this phone. This will be my new daily driver as of tonight. But just a quick first look at the Pixel Fold, the black colorway. Very nice, actually. The form factor, that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see the form factor, if I can use this with one hand, which obviously you can. Does have the Tensor 2 in this, so we should get pretty good performance out here. I am a little worried about the battery life on here. Some of the videos that we did see already, battery life has not been great. But first impression, not using the device, but a first impression of the overall build quality and the look of the device. I'm a huge fan. The SIM tray is directly in the middle down here. We do have the speakers on here, the USB-C port to charge. A very nice looking device. But that's it, guys. Just a quick unboxing on the Pixel Fold. I got a ton of videos planned for this device right here, including maybe a 24 hours, probably a 48 hours later with the Pixel Fold to talk about my experience after 2 days of use. After this video is finished, I'm throwing my sim in it and we're gonna roll. Peace, guys.